cookie gave me a bunch of zucchini. So I'm gonna do 2 recipes. The one I'm gonna do for today is zucchini bread, and it is delicious. You would never know it has zucchini in it. It tastes like cake. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you do, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll need 2 cups of zucchini for my bread because I'm doubling my recipe. I'm making 2 loaves. Okay, in my bowl, I've got 2 cups of grated zucchini. And to that, I'm going to add 2 cups of granulated sugar. And to that, I am going to add 2 eggs. And I'm going to beat that well and then add my oil. I'm going to let that mix well. Okay, now I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add ½ teaspoon of lemon peel that I've just grated. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Love to smell cinnamon. A teaspoon of baking soda. A teaspoon of baking powder. And it calls for a ½ teaspoon of ground nutmeg. But I grind my own, so it won't take quite that much because it's stronger when you grate your own. Nutmeg's strong anyway. I'm just gonna whisk that together. And now you just want to combine that with your wet ingredients. And just mix until it's all combined. You do not want to over mix. Alright. Sorry if you've been out of the screen. I'm not doing very good job of photography today. And now I just want to fold in a cup of walnuts. I have sprayed my cake pans with nonstick spray, and I put in some parchment paper on the bottom to help it along so it wouldn't stick. And now I want to divide these between the 2 cake pans, or loaf pans. I love these little quick breads. Cinnamon bread, banana nut bread. I love them all. I just about just soon have them in any kind of cake. Although I do love my cakes now. Especially store-bought birthday cake. That's my favorite. Alright, I'm going to put these in a 325-degree oven, which I'd already have preheating. And it says to cook for 60 minutes, but I'll probably check them about 35-40 minutes. And until then, I'll be back. Just out of the oven. Doesn't that look good? Just a tiny piece got stuck on the side. I guess I need to try it, make sure it tastes all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, please hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, ring that bell. Until next time, bye.